Hello everyone, Giovanni with Hardscape.com. We wanted to take a little bit of a time just to talk to you guys about quality on porcelain pavers. It seems that we are seeing more and more products being thrown at customers, thrown at builders, thrown at pool companies as a quality product, as a quality porcelain. Unfortunately, if you haven't attended one of our classes yet, where we teach how products are made and how do you achieve quality on porcelain, you're not going to know the difference. You're going to get a product, you're going to look at a price, it's better than this one, and you're going to go ahead and put it in your project, especially if you're a high-end builder. A lot of custom builders are working with us, and we are seeing a lot of other paver companies trying to make more money and buying cheaper products and bringing you these products and saying, here goes, we have something that you can use that is a porcelain that is cheap. Most of you that are paying cheap for porcelain pavers are buying ceramic. You're not buying a porcelain. There's a big difference between a ceramic tile and a porcelain tile. And I'll give you an example. There is a particular company that sells quite a bit of product all over North America, and yet they're selling sealers for their porcelain. Porcelain does not get sealed. A porcelain that is made correctly, it's 0.05 absorption rate. You can't seal it. If anybody says you have to seal a porcelain, it's because that product is a ceramic, meaning it's not coloring gonna last, it's not gonna be 100% anti-scratch, anti-chemical, oil is gonna drip in there, it's going to penetrate. Now you're paying more than concrete pavers for a product that is it's subpar to concrete pavers. So you really need to educate yourself on what you are buying. There are many good companies out there, but the majority, unfortunately, especially here in Florida, are just throwing cheap material to try to gain market share, and they just don't understand what the hardscape industry is all about. Here's a big example for you guys. This is part of what we teach. In the bottom here, you see a product that has got this white line in the middle of the porcelain. This is our product up here with a tiny little line that you can see in there. 99% of the products in the market today are uncooked. And this is the line that you're gonna see. This is how you see it. It is not a chemical reaction. I don't care what anybody tells you. The product is not cooked all the way. It takes anywhere between an hour and a half to cook a porcelain properly. These guys, these tile manufacturers that do indoor tile are cooking these products for 15, 20 minutes to speed up production and throwing it out there to customers in North America. So we wanted to let you know that we are here to educate you and just giving you heads up that, cheap right now is going to cost you a lot of money later on. Porcelain pavers specifically and especially on 3cm for vehicular applications. If you don't have a good product and the right technique to install, it's a failure. It's a failure, and we teach that in our classes. So if you want to learn a little bit more, contact us. I'm Giovanni. You can contact Aida as well. Send me an email. My number is 561-436-7368. Aida's number is 561-201-0585. Call us. We'll be glad to answer any questions you may have, but look for this in your porcelains. If you see this when you're cutting it, or if you see this right off the box, stay away from it. Stay away from it because you're buying a ceramic, and you really shouldn't be putting the money on a product that is not going to do the best service to your customers. We're here to help you, to educate you, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach us. Thank you very much.